A lot has been written and said elsewhere about the fact that during the First World War, the Royal Flying Corps did not provide their pilots with parachutes, even though that technology had been proven to work well. What you may find even more surprising is that in some cases, the RFC didn't even provide aircraft crew members with seats. A good example is the Royal Aircraft Factory F.E.2b, as seen here. In this case, the observer gunner in the front cockpit had no seat to sit on, but simply knelt or sat on the floor of the tub. While this arrangement gave him considerable flexibility to move around inside the front cockpit when using the 2 Lewis machine guns on the aircraft, it also meant that he was essentially floating loose in the cockpit, and there was more than one hapless gunner who fell out of the aircraft during violent dogfight maneuvers. In the case of this replica, the observer is tethered to the aircraft with a very strong steel cable, hopefully one short enough to ensure he doesn't go over the side at all. Another interesting feature of these aircraft is the fact that the Lewis machine guns have bags on them. These were designed to catch the spent cartridges after they were ejected to ensure they didn't fly back into the engine and/or propeller behind the cockpit area. All in all, the F.E.2b pusher was a fascinating aircraft. If you hit the join button, you can sign up to become a member of our channel for just a few dollars a month, and you'll have access to our exclusive member-only videos, including the full-length version of this flight.